Hi guys, and welcome to the channel here at Black Stag Styling. Thank you for checking out this video, and we have in with us for the next couple of weeks another Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This one, to be fair, has already had quite a few bits done to it, so you're joining us for us supplying, painting and fitting the ultra wide wheel arch kit. So this is quite a wide wheel arch kit, but this vehicle does need it. So we're now going to walk over to the truck, show you the vehicle, give you a little chat about what we're going to be doing, and then of course normal sort of thing, don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel. We'll get this into the workshop in a moment and start cracking on with the work. But right, let me give you a look around the vehicle. Okay, so here she is. As you can see, she's already had quite a few bits and pieces done to this little beast. It's already got a wide arch kit on it, but the customer has had a lift kit already fitted to it. It's got spacers and some rather wide 22-inch wheels, and when we look down the side of the vehicle, as you can see, the wheels stick right out from the arches. So we are supplying, painting and fitting the ultra wide wheel arch kit. We've got a couple of bits and pieces we're also doing to this at the same time. We are refitting correctly a bonnet scoop and some wind deflectors around the sides. We've got a tiny bit of body work to do at the same time, but the main thing is that you're watching it for is the ultra wide wheel arch kit. So we'll get it into the workshop, start cracking with the work. Right then, Tommy, do tell us, what have you been doing?
I'm not sure. No, I've been taking.
Sorry,
I take it you're not using this footage for.
Yeah,
YouTube purposes?
it's going straight on the YouTube, mate.
Okay.
Yep.
Lovely.
We've been doing them.
I've been taking the arches off this side for preparation for the super wide arch body kit, which
Fantastic.
will come out to about here. So. Probably,
yeah, that's quite wide.
Yeah.
Not quite that. Not quite
get out
that
of the
wide.
workshop, to be honest.
Yeah,
so.
not quite that wide.
Do you want me to fit them outside?
Haven't done Mr. Paintwork?
No, I haven't done Mr. Paintwork. It's a bit grubby, but it's because I've just coffee wheeled the old sticky off.
Yep.
Because the old kit was fitted on just with double-sided sticky back plastic.
Yep.
Blue Peter job. Whereas we're going to be using sealer and the tape. So
that's it. We'll be bonding them on.
Just fall off of its own accord when it feels like it.
Fantastic. So we got the other side to take off still.
Yeah, I'm not that.
No, we know. So the other side still to take off. So Tommy will be doing these any moment now. Tommy.
Oh, what? Like right now? Oh, okay.
Right, so we're now going to show you the arch kit. This is the ultra wide arch kit. The guys are now about to do some test fitting and some fettling, or adjustments should we say, because we've already found they are going to need a few adjustments before we get to paint them. So we give you a look at the kit. Here we go. Right, so this is the ultra wide arch kit. They come in a sort of white primer, gloss primer. So we are going to be starting to test fit these in a moment. We already know they're going to need a fair bit of adjusting before we can get them ready for paint, and then they'll be painted and bonded and screwed onto the vehicle. Right, here we go. Right, we are now test fitting the ultra wide arches. Tommy's on the case down here, yep. All on his own, because Paul's sitting over here.
Paul's having up, hey Paul.
I've been with him all day. Poor old Paul can't take any more.
Hello, donut Paul.
He's got the donuts. Anyway, sorry, back with Tommy, who's lining up the new ultra wide arches. A few little adjustments in there, Tommy.
Yeah, a few little ones. A bit shaved off here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In general, not too bad?
Yeah, not too bad. I mean, if you leave the gaps like this, fine.
Yep. We won't be doing that though, will we, Tommy?
No, we won't.
No.
I'm only joking.
Right, let's have a little look at the rear arch. Got one on already on the back here. They are rather wide, as you can see. So we're going to be looking at some more spacers to bring the wheels out. But, and of course these have got to be painted, so they've got to be colour coded, but we'll test fit them all first. Make sure they're going to go on nicely onto the vehicle, and then we can look at getting them into the spray booth, primered and painted. We'll have another look at the other side as well. Over there, Rob. We've got one of the other front one on. There we go. Nice and wide. Right, the guys will carry on test fitting them. We're going to measure up for some new spacers and look to get them ready for paint. Right, here we are in the booth with the wheel arches, ultra wide arches. They have been primered, just had their first or second coat, not too sure, of the base colour, and then they will be being lacquered very shortly. There we go. So as you'll see, there are only the 4 arches, not the front sections for the bumper corners, because on this truck it has no front bumper corner sections. So we'll be getting these all lacquered shortly, and then looking to get them all fitted onto thy vehicle. Lovely jubbly. These are such mean arches. So big, lovely. Going to look cool with them 80mm spacers. He's now getting his 3rd coat. It's a light final coat of colour. Right, so we're now getting the arches onto the Wildtrak. They're all painted, now being bonded on. Paul's already done the lining up, hasn't he, mate?
Yes.
He's now getting them all bonded on and taped on. And we've got another one here, so we've got our red Storm Track, also in for the wide or ultra wide arches. This is looking awesome, this one. So they're both looking really cool. The other one's got the Predator front bumper, and this is the Storm Track, brand new for John Gross Ford. We're doing that one, wheels, all sorts of bits on that. So check both of them out on our YouTube channel. There'll be separate videos, but they'll both be on there. And we'll leave Paul cracking on. We haven't got to put the front sections on this one, of course, because it's got the Predator bumper. But we have got large spaces to go on to bring the wheels out to the arches. Right, now doing all the adjustments to the inner arch area. This is so the wheels, tyres don't rub on anything. So Paul's now in the case just getting that all sorted. Then we've got a bit of sealing to do just to make sure everything is neat and tidy. And then a little bit of Raptor coating, which we'll do on these just to protect everything. There we go. Here he is, here's Tommy doing his polishing. So we've done the repairs to the door as well. That's what Tommy's now finishing polishing. And here are the arches. Hi guys, and thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. So on this occasion we've had in a Ford Ranger Wildtrak in the grey for a very good customer of ours called Pete. So thank you, Pete, for having us do another one of your vehicles. Check out some of the other videos on the channel, guys, because there's other vehicles we've done for Pete as well on there. So have a look at some of our other videos for styling. But like I say, this time it's been his Ford Ranger Wildtrak in the grey, and it has been in to have us supply, paint and fit the ultra wide arch kit. So completely different to the other arch kits. These, they need a lot more work, a lot more adjustments on the front inner arches, front bumper corners, everything like that need a lot of cuts and adjustments so that everything fits correctly with the ultra wide arch kit. But we have done all of that. We then bonded them on. Of course, everything's been polished and ready to go back to the customer. So please do check out our website at Black Stag Styling, see all the stuff we get up to, see if there's anything we can help you with on there, and do give us a shout. We're going to give you a last look around the vehicle in a moment. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Then we can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, with the old notifications on, of course. And we'll hopefully catch you again in the very near future for another video. So stay tuned for the last look round it. Stay safe, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.